be a little darker, 3 is going to be a little darker yet, so on and so forth. So they're really telling you almost where you lay down those tones. And then you would use like your tortillon or finger and you smooth it off and make it a nice kind of smooth transition. Make sense? Okay, cool. All right, so that's excellent. We got the first set on that. Let's take a look real quick on those first questions here. You got that? So also, let's make sure we got those. So you can keep this stuff. This is, you got the erasers, got tortillons, you got charcoal. I also want to make sure we got, that's watercolor paper. We should have some charcoal paper here someplace. I'll get you some before you leave, okay? So, real quick. Now, remember what we did last credit? What kind of there were 2 kinds of drawings, right? We talked about. What were they? What was the thing on the outside of the hand? What was that?
Edges.
Edges, but there's another word for it. The kind of drawing. Begins with a C. It's on the tip of your tongue, isn't it? I can see it. Con with a T. Close. Contour. So they had, remember we had 2 kinds of contour drawing, right? What was the first kind? That you don't look at the drawing?
The hand?
Yeah, so you're drawing the hand, you're drawing the contour of the hand, but you couldn't look at it, right? It was called what? Blind what? The contour drawing. Blind contour drawing. The other one was what? Beginning with an M.
Meditation.
What is it?
Meditation.
Close. Mod. So you have blind contour drawing, and you had modified. Modified where you could look at it, right? So you could look, that was the modified. Then you had the blind where you couldn't look at the drawing. Okay? So what was the main difference between the 2?
The lines and the edges.
Edges are called what? Contours. Yeah. What was it again?
Sketches.
The 2 kinds? Well, sketching, yeah. Yeah. But what was it again? What were the 2 kinds of contour drawing? One more time.
Meditate.
It was modified. Modified. What was modified drawing again? What did that mean?
Looking this time.
You could look at your hand while you were drawing it. Yes, you could look at the drawing while you were drawing the object. And the other one was what? Other kind of contour drawing was what? With the modified and
I'm not looking.
what was it called?
Oh no.
You can't see? What was it called? Come on. Blind, yes. Blind. Okay. So, all right. So, that's basically what you can write in there. Okay, it's the blind contour. So, worked on. You could probably say we worked on blind contour drawing. Good. Okay. Yep. Blind contour drawing. Good. Excellent. And so blind and B-L-I-N-D. B-L-I. Yeah. B-L-I-N-D. Yep. And contour drawing D. What was that? Joling? What is?
Oh.
Blind
'Cause I get it
contour.
mixed up.
Okay. No, yeah, but D drawing. DR. Yeah. When we
Let me erase this.
yeah, blind to yeah, we'll just start with the D. DR.
R.
How do you spell drawing?
Wait, no.
DR. Draw. Sound it out.
Oh.
That's you got that already. Ah.
Yeah.
It'll be ooh.
A.
A.
Oh,
A. Okay, start with the A. Draw. DR. Ah. It would sound sort of like if you spelled it. If you spelled it out, it'd be like ah ah ah.
Oh.
AW. So it's draw. DRAW. Drawing.
Oh. ING.
Drawing. So that's blind contour drawing, and you probably could comma. Or if we're just do and, since we're just going to continue the sentence. So blind contour drawing and what's the other kind?
Huh? Oh.
After this text time, M. Yep.
Meditate. Wait, not meditate.
Mod. 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 When you change something. When you make a modification. The idea is, I think you can look at what you're drawing, so you can change things as you're drawing. So you're looking, you can make modifications. So it's about modification.
Oh.
So there was blind contour drawing and what is it? Modified.
Modified?
Modified. MOD.
No.
No. MOD. Is that moo?
That's a D.
That's a D?
Yeah, but I messed it up.
If you're doing if that's the case, you probably do want to make it a small D. So the capital D, the big D is really for the beginning or names or proper names or mod, IF, IC, AT, ION. Modification. That ION is something you're going to see a lot.